Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. The window head trim creates a drainage plane above the window and is designed not to capture water and debris. It is designed to mimic the same face as the jamb trim alongside of the window and below the window. Along with the head trim, either a support Z or starter cleat will be required. The head trim goes above the flanged window, with the bottom portion covering the top of the flanged window. The ends of the head trim should be tapped down to fit neatly into the jamb trims to allow for proper drainage and better appearance. The width of the window is measured and a mark is made on the trim so that the trim exceeds the window width by 6 inches. The trim will be wider than the window by 3 inches on each side. Cut the snap base trim to the proper length. 2 inches of the base of the head flashing is removed from each side, leaving only screw flange in those areas. Cut the face at a 45-degree angle. Next, remove 1 inch from the very bottom of the head flashing, leaving the face and ledge intact for now. Then cut the ledge 1 inch deep on both sides, but do not remove the tab. This will allow for the tab to be bent down and close off the ends of the head trim. Once the head trim and panels have been installed to the top of the window, you can determine whether a starter cleat or support Z is needed to be installed based on the panel layout. If a full panel can be used, then a starter cleat is applied to the top of the head trim in the same fashion as it was attached with the base trim. If a partial panel is needed, then a support Z should be applied to the head trim and the panel should be riveted to the support Z. Trims should be fastened 2 foot on center with proper fasteners. Window conditions should be flashed in accordance with the WRB manufacturer. After an area of the wall has been completed, the covers of the snap J channel can be installed. The covers are measured to exceed the width of the window by 1.5 inches, or 3/4 on each side. The snap J covers are cut to length and 3/4 inch of the lock strip is removed from each end. Then the face is mitered to a 45-degree angle on the bottom of both window jamb snap-J covers. The window sill and the top of the window jamb snap-J covers are left straight. The windowsill cover is installed first, followed by the jamb trims. For more installation details, please visit www.ataz.com.